Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to install QTP 11 on Windows 7 machine. As you can see, I have extracted the QTP files on Windows 7 machine. Now click on setup. It will ask to install the prerequisite files. I click yes. Now the QTP installation menu pop up. I just click on QTP test setup and it requires some basic requirement of files. It requires Visual C++ 2005 Service Pack 1 and Visual Studio Office 3.0 runtime. I first install the Microsoft Visual C++ Service Pack 1 2005. It will take a while to install on the system. All the installation basically depend on the hardware, what kind of RAM, what kind of processor you are using. More the RAM, more than 8 GB, and the ample space of hard disk, more than 50 GBs can be provide you fastest installation. Now it's, as you can see, it's installing the Visual Studio 2005 redistribution, and after installation, the next phase of QTP setup begins. Now the prerequisite files are installed. Now I click on license files. As you can see, license is available on every installation of QTP. Now setup configuring the install. It depends again depending on the hardware configuration. Now it's the QTP setup files are registering with the Windows 7 registered internal files and installing the runtime environments and internal kernels of QTP. It will take a while. Now again, as you can see, the Visual Studio 2 setup is basically now complete. Now the final phase of installation of QTP begins. So I'm going to pause for a while because sometimes it takes a while. Then now it's QTP Professional 11 installer is now available. Click yes and I agree on the license agreement. Next, my machine name is testbox and the organization is NA. I clicked on next, and these are by default installed add-ons. If you want to install all the add-ons, you have to just click on these add-ons and uncheck the cross mark. Depending on the requirement, more the add-ons, more time taken by the installation to install or run the setup. So I recommend that use only the required one: .NET, Java, QTP core libraries, and web services if you are using REST and SOAP. These are the QTP Professional internal core. It also having the samples with it. I just click next. Now it shows me the folder where it's going to install the QTP 11.0. Now the QTP Professional 11.0 is being installed on my Windows 7 machine. These modules take time to install because I have taken multiple modules. Now the QTP shortcut is created and the final configuration phase is going to complete for my Windows 7 machine. Listing the modules are basically the add-ons you select during installation, the .NET, the Java, web services. So lesser the module, the faster the installation and faster the startup of QTP 11.0. I'm going to again pause, and now it's completed. I click finish, and now I'm going to click on the shortcut created on my Windows 7 machine. It will show you how much days it remains licensing, and I just going to click all of them for demo purpose, but I recommend that to choose as per the test requirements. If the test requirement asks for .NET, please choose on .NET. Don't go for the other ones. Now this is the start page of QTP 11.0 on Windows 7 machine. I click on help and about. You can see quick test version 11.0 version Bell is 1018. And these are the installation information. If you want to create a new test, you can directly create by clicking it on new icon, or you can click on file and select new. Now this is the workspace of new test. This is the keyword view, and the next one is expert view. Expert view basically consists of a VB script kind of environment, and this is it. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Thank you.